How to add AI voiceover on CapCut. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add an AI voice on CapCut. First off, go ahead and open up your CapCut and open up any project. So I've got this project open right here. What I can do is simply go ahead and tap on any one of this, and you are going to have to utilize the text option to go back to your home screen and then go and tap on text. Then you can just add any text you want. So tap on add text. Let's just enter our text here. So I'll just start typing something like this. Now I can just do like, share, and subscribe. Right. You can either keep the text on the screen or you could just add the voiceover. There are other things that you can change as well, like font, style, effects, animations, bubbles, and presets. Alright, so once that is done, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on the text and then find the option called text to speech. But before you do that, what you can do is mute the audio first. So let's just mute the clip and then find text to speech. Find any voice you like.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, so that's how it's going to sound. You could do a male voice as well. Tap on it.
Hi, welcome back. Like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, so once that is done, tap on done. It's going to add the speech. Now you can remove the text if you want from the screen or hide it. And then when you play the video, it's going to add the AI voice.
Like, share, and subscribe.
So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.